Hello. Welcome back to Money Making Strategies channel. We're unveiling how to create those viral videos that are raking in millions of views and income on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Are you ready to learn the secrets of making viral motivational videos? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create these engaging short-form videos using very little work with the power of AI. No complicated stuff, just easy-to-follow steps to boost your content creation game. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. How to come up with viral motivational quotes for videos. Now, to kickstart our journey into the world of viral motivational videos, we'll begin with ChatGPT. This incredible AI tool will help us craft motivational and inspirational quotes for our videos. The key here is to make the quotes simple, easy to understand, and written in plain English. By doing so, we ensure that our audience connects effortlessly with the message. Start by prompting ChatGPT to provide 20 relatively short quotes. We don't want our videos to be too short, so ask ChatGPT to add a second part to these quotes, making them longer and more impactful. But why stop there? If you find the quotes still a bit too short, go ahead and ask ChatGPT to expand them further by adding a third part. You can repeat this process until you reach the desired length for your video. Remember, the goal is to keep your audience engaged, and a 15 to 20-second video is already a sweet spot. Step 2. Create your videos by crafting visuals with Fleeky. Once we have our motivational quotes ready, it's time to transform them into visually appealing videos. For this, we'll be using Fleeky, a user-friendly tool for video creation. Access Fleeky and log in. Go to fleeky.ai, navigate to the Fleeky platform, and log into your account. If you haven't registered yet, sign up to get started. Start a new project within Fleeky and give it an appropriate name. This helps keep your projects organized, especially if you're working on multiple videos. For this project, I'll call it Motivational. Next, remove the sample information that's already there. Then you can paste one of the quotes you made into Fleeky. Let's copy one of the motivational quotes that was generated with ChatGPT and paste it into Fleeky. This will serve as the foundation for your video and storytelling. Now let's add a scene. Utilize the plus icon in Fleeky to add scenes strategically. Think about the natural breaks or shifts in your quote that would benefit from a change in video clips and scenes. This adds dynamism to your video. Select footage. Search for and select diverse, well-shot, and cinematic footage for each scene. Ensure that the visuals complement the tone and message of your quotes. Remember, the randomness of the footage contributes to the mysterious and engaging feel. Next, we need to add a voiceover. Let's enhance the power of our video by incorporating a viral male voiceover. Choose Fleeky's male voiceover option. In this video, we'll be selecting the voiceover named Joey. Applying this voiceover to all scenes ensures a consistent and captivating audio experience. Then you can repeat the process for each scene in your video. Ensure a seamless flow between quotes and visuals, creating a harmonious blend that captures the attention of your audience. Step 3. Add music with CapCut. Before we jump to CapCut, we need to download the video file. While the video is downloading, let's talk about CapCut. CapCut is a free editing tool that has a lot of great editing features. Now let's import the MP4 file from Fleeky and the selected music. Adding music allows us to elevate the video's emotional impact. Head over to CapCut.com and log into your account. If you're new to CapCut, sign up to explore its editing capabilities. Start a new project by clicking Create Project. Name the project appropriately to facilitate easy reference. Next, import the MP4 file exported from Fleeky into your CapCut project. Now we can import the music for the video. Arrange it at the bottom of the screen to synchronize it with your visuals. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the drop or climax of the music waves. Arrange the music and pay attention to the drop or climax in the music. Next, let's sync the speech and music by adjusting the timing of your visuals to sync seamlessly with the music. Ensure that the motivational quotes align with the emotional peaks of the selected music. Now let's lower the volume of the music so that we don't overpower the voiceover, and so that we can also create a subtle background ambiance. Step 4. Color grading for atmosphere. Next, we'll focus on color grading to give our video that dark and mysterious feel. Go to CapCut's adjustment settings where you can fine-tune the color elements of your video. Adjust settings like temperature, hue, saturation, brightness, and contrast until you achieve the desired atmosphere. To further refine the atmosphere, adjust the brightness and contrast settings. This step helps in balancing the visual elements and enhancing the overall cinematic appeal of your video. Step 5. Exporting the final video. Ensure a seamless blend of quotes, visuals, and music by exporting your final video from CapCut. Follow these sub-steps to bring your project to completion. Review the video. Watch the entire video to ensure that the motivational quotes, visuals, and music align seamlessly. Check for any inconsistencies or areas that may need adjustment.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Embrace uncertainty, for it is the canvas of endless possibilities. The journey is as important as the destination. Relish each step, for they contribute to the masterpiece of your life. In 3 words I can sum up everything I've learned about life: it goes on. Embrace the flow, for life's beauty lies in its continuous journey. Every twist and turn holds lessons. Let the current of experience shape the person you are meant to become.
Hit export. Click on the export option located in the top right corner of CapCut. This initiates the export process and prepares your video for the final step. Name your video. Give your video a distinctive name that reflects its content and purpose. Export to your device. Finalize the process by exporting the video to your device. Your motivational masterpiece is now ready to be shared with your audience. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the intricate steps of creating a viral motivational video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a like and leave a comment. If you want to learn about how you can make money with this, check out our Make Money Online videos playlist.